The following message is transmitted at the request of the Garfield Heights Police Department. At 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a report came in of a suspicious creature on Creekside Drive in Garfield Heights. The creature was said to resemble a teddy bear, and may be 3 feet tall. It has yellow fur, a smiling sun on its belly, and wears a red baseball cap. The creature was seen playing with the child on Creekside Drive. If you see this creature, please contact law enforcement immediately, and alert them of its whereabouts. Stay away from the creature, as its intentions are unknown at this time. Tune to a media outlet for more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio Department of Homeland Security. A strange phenomenon is happening in the city of Cleveland and surrounding areas. There have been many cases of children disappearing from their homes and returning hours later by themselves, and refusing to explain their disappearance aside from saying "I was just hanging with some friends." In many of these cases, strange bear-like footprints have been found next to child footprints as a clue, before both trails stop unexpectedly. This remains unsolved at this time. Please tune to outlets. If you have any information that will help us solve this mystery, please contact law enforcement at once. Thank you.
The call said that the mysterious Care Bear entity seen with Jake back in 2006 is a real Care Bear, namely Funshine Bear. Jake had been keeping this a secret for almost 3 years, but now has revealed it under pressure. The notable other subjects, such as McKenna and Emma, have still said nothing at this time.
Wow, that is something else to know, man. We don't really know if this is the truth, but it certainly seems to put a lot of puzzle pieces together. Maybe soon we'll have the full picture.
Several strange clouds have been observed from Garfield Heights. One's unlike the others. They don't seem to move, and people are saying there's some family of unidentified flying objects. They have heart emblems and several rainbows streaking out. It is certainly strange, but it looks like how people describe Care-a-Lot, home of the Care Bears. If you are in Garfield Heights, look up. You'll see it today due to the weather conditions.
National Information Center Statement. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. It has been confirmed that a new species of intelligent creatures has been discovered, living in the skies above Cleveland, Ohio. The Care Bears. Their home, Care-a-Lot, can be observed in the skies above Cleveland. At this time, it remains to be seen whether or not these creatures that roam Care-a-Lot pose a threat, but all security measures must be taken immediately. Be prepared for anything in case the situation becomes dangerous. Continue to monitor media outlets for more information. We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to continue to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WVIZ. We will continue to serve the Cleveland area. If you are not in this area, you should tune to a station providing information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Cleveland area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The Care Bears have turned hostile towards humans and have began attacking police stations and cities across the country. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Take cover now. Move into an interior room on the lowest floor of your home. Lock all doors and windows. Seal all cracks and exits to the outside wood. Gather necessary food, water, and supplies such as a battery-powered radio with extra batteries and a firearm and flashlight in case of intrusion. This is for your own protection. Refusing to follow these instructions puts your life in extreme danger. Take action now. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to continue to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WVIZ. We will continue to serve the Cleveland area. If you are not in this area, you should tune to a station providing information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Cleveland area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for This is an emergency action termination. The Care Bear War has ended, as the President has helped the Care Bears to agree to cease attacking with their belly badges, and spend the next months negotiating to come to an agreement on coexistence. The danger to civilians is over. You may now exit your shelters. All normal programming, as well as cable, satellite and 911 operations may now resume. This concludes all operations under the emergency alert system. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.